Oh, I just can't believe this is from an idea we had at Tiki's house to hear live drum and bass in the marae in Te Reo Māori and Te Reo Pākehā.
Ke te wera o te ahi.
Kia ora koutou te whānau. My name is Henare and I am part of the Dillastrate whānau from Waitaha, Christchurch, the fiery south.
Don't leave behind the roots of this place we call home.
So Dillastrate is a live act predominantly. Our angle is to lean into that live side and capture that live side.
The last time I came to this marae was probably like 30 years ago. It just sounds beautiful. It sounds like this whare's like really into us being in here. That's what it feels like.
From a musical standpoint, the kaupapa is to grow the value and message of Māori music and WAIATA Māori, especially here in Waitaha down south. So I grew up in Ashburton, Hakatere, mid-Canterbury. Primary school, there were maybe 3 of us that were Māori. There wasn't much exposure to Te Ao Māori and the learnings of Mātauranga Māori and all of that stuff. But at the same time, it kind of made me hungrier for it.
The naughty steps. I never sat on the step for long periods of time.
Are you sure about that?
Henare! Actually, it wasn't that, it was Henare! Outside! Again!
I was diagnosed with ADHD when I was year 7. Everyone, adults, teachers, that generation, were very sceptical of it. So it was so easy just to label it a behaviour problem. Like, that is what you are. You are not going to amount to nothing. And they did say that. Luckily for me, my parents really fought for the whole idea that, you know, maybe my son actually has ADHD. Quiet, eh? Number 41. It was Kāpai. I loved it. You used to be able to climb those trees. Can't anymore. Talk to anyone with ADHD. You're wired to be focused and super focused and hyper focused on one thing that gives you stimulation. But if nothing's stimulating, then you're already halfway across the room. Finding that thing that you love, then you don't have to worry about all the lack of concentration. You're going to concentrate harder than anyone else. I was in primary school when I first joined the kapaka, and the kind of obsession, grew from there. I was fixated on the idea of learning Te Reo Māori. That's why I attended a bilingual school in Christchurch. Well, this is kind of where it all started. We did kapahaka training here, we did Te Reo Māori class training, iwi history training, even had our prize giving out the back in the whare. Learning Te Reo was huge for me. Kind of gave me a superpower. Like, I'm as dyslexic as they come, but I've never had a problem spelling Māori words. It just makes sense. Singing in Te Reo Māori literally means everything to me. And to especially do it here, where it all began.
H is like my brother, really, at this point. He's got this force about him that's just energetic and kind of addictive.
So the Waitaha is about Waitaha, and it's inspired by the resilience of its people. We are the fire, but we're also paying tribute to those who lit the fire for us. So we just keep it burning.